Okay, we've got a Honda CG125. Won't start. So took this off. Took this air filter off the other day. Put some easy start in. It ticked over a few times, cut out again. So I'm presuming it's a carburetor problem. So I'm going to take this band off. Nicked it off already. There's a bolt there, one on the other side, and then this should just slide out. Then I can clean it. Should come out, and then I can clean things up, get it going again. Just really just take that out. Ease this cover off. Take these connections off. This one and this one. 10mm ring spanner. That was pretty easy to do. A little bit grip on it. That's it. It's a bit harder on that one. This looks unscrewed at the top. Just unscrew that. And there's a needle. So it's just a needle that will come out there. I need to remove this. Now I can remove this here. It's a bit hard to get in there to remove it, and I can do that later. Just how to do that with one hand. Right. Petrol switched off. So there you go. That's released. Okay. Make sure that's switched off. For this next part, I just stuck it on the centre stand. I'm going to try and support the bike with one hand. It's difficult showing this, to be honest with it. Can pull it right back and release it. It's been released, and now I just need to release it from there. Which the chamfer was to the back. Just try and remember that when you're putting it back, it'll solve any problems later. Okay, so I've got 3 screws, one here, and one there to take out to release this body. So make sure your bit is a snug fit. You don't want to chew up the bits. Try and get a good grip on it. I've got a clearance there, I think so. Yeah, that's it. I might need a longer screwdriver for this. Let's have a look. Just got it. This one. That's it. Got it. Good. Okay. Let's take this off. Take these screws out. Okay, got some carburetor and injector cleaner. Just snap this, be careful with it. Let's take it out. You can see through there, aren't you? Quite fine that way. A bit of spray through. If you can see on that, but that looks a lot bigger now. Blow compressed air through that and through this, and put it back. Nip it again, we don't over tighten it. Same with this one, just if you can get it out, get it out. There's a fine jet in there, but you can't see anything through it because it's completely blocked up. So what I'm going to do, spray a bit there down it. What we've got a thing for blowing up a football. But if you haven't got a compressed air, like I haven't. But now, give that a bit of a clean. And just nip it up, don't over tighten it. This one. One, 2, 3, 4, and a bit. Give that a bit of a clean. As well, bit of compressed air. I'm going to take it right down to the bottom. Let's take it back to that bit, and then it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that should be ready to go back on now. Okay, so just got myself a coffee. My mic, not motorcycle mug. Just like there was a bit more varnish in there, so I just cleaned it off again. Okay, so really, by rights I'd normally change this seal, but I haven't got one, so I'm going to take a chance and hopefully it'll be okay. Okay, so now what we're going to do, pop this back. Everything's in place. Back on. Snip the screws back in. There you go. There we go. got a feel for it because I can't actually see it. Roll this back up, put these back on, put the cover back on. See if there's any okay, that's great. Got the bike going, so thanks for watching what you're doing, Grandad. Tune in again for next time.